Welcome back to Nuansa Art, your go-to destination for the most beautiful home design and interior ideas. In today's video, we're taking a journey into the serene world of stone and wood house designs that blend perfectly with nature. These homes aren't just buildings. They're harmonious works of art that complement the landscapes around them, offering the perfect balance between comfort, warmth, and rustic charm. If you love the idea of waking up to the sound of birds, surrounded by natural textures and earthy tones, this video is for you. We'll explore 10 stunning architectural ideas, from minimalist woodland cabins to luxurious forest villas. Each design shows how stone and wood can be used creatively to build a home that feels like part of the environment. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nuansa Art, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our weekly inspiration. Let's get started. Our first idea captures the essence of simplicity, a compact forest cabin that radiates warmth and peace. This type of home typically features locally sourced wooden beams, exposed stone walls, and large glass windows that frame the surrounding trees like artwork. The interior is often minimalist, with open-plan layouts and neutral colors to avoid distracting from the natural setting. This design is perfect for those who crave a quiet, off-grid lifestyle without compromising on aesthetics. The exterior combines stacked stone foundations with wooden siding that weathers beautifully over time. Inside, you'll often find cozy fireplaces made of river rock, wooden floors, and large skylights to draw in sunlight. It's a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. Whether it's a vacation home or your everyday residence, a forest cabin like this becomes a peaceful retreat from the chaos of urban life. Next, let's climb higher, literally, with a mountainside stone and wood house that takes luxury to the next level. These homes often feature multi-level designs built into the slope of a hill, giving you panoramic views of valleys and peaks. The design focuses on sustainable materials like reclaimed wood and locally quarried stone, making the structure look like a natural extension of the landscape. Modern elements such as steel beams and large, double-glazed windows are balanced with raw, textured materials for an upscale, yet earthy vibe. Many include outdoor terraces with stone fireplaces, hot tubs, or infinity pools overlooking scenic views. Inside, exposed ceiling beams and polished concrete floors blend effortlessly with soft wood tones and natural stone accents. It's a bold fusion of contemporary design and nature's rugged beauty. If you're dreaming of a luxurious yet grounded escape, this house style delivers on all fronts. There's something magical about a home by the water, and a lakeside stone and wood house enhances that charm tenfold. Picture this: a weathered cedar exterior, granite stone detailing, and a wide porch that overlooks a still, glassy lake. These homes are designed to reflect their surroundings. Muted blues, greens, and grays blend into the landscape, while natural textures mimic those found in nearby woods and shores. Architects often integrate biophilic design principles, including natural ventilation, lots of daylight, and the use of indoor plants to create a seamless connection to nature. Some designs include boathouses, docks, or even stone walkways that lead right into the water. Interiors tend to be warm and intimate, often featuring wood-burning stoves, handcrafted furniture, and open ceiling beams. If you're looking to create a space that brings peace and serenity, this lakeside concept offers a perfect harmony between structure and scenery. If you're a fan of dramatic landscapes and bold design, a cliffside stone and wood home may be your dream come true. Perched atop rugged terrain, these homes make the most of natural elevation with daring architecture that incorporates cantilevered decks, glass walls, and jagged stonework. Designers often use charred wood siding, sugi-ban, for an ultramodern look that also protects the wood from weather. The stone used is often rough-cut and intentionally irregular, adding to the raw, sculptural quality of the home. The contrast between the dark wood, cold stone, and bright sky creates a striking visual that feels adventurous and refined. Inside, these homes are typically open concept, with sleek kitchen islands, sunken living rooms, and multi-level terraces. This design proves that you can be both environmentally conscious and architecturally daring, making the house feel like it's been carved right from the earth itself. One of the most beautiful trends in natural home design is building the structure around existing gardens, trees, or boulders, instead of removing them. These stone and wood homes are custom designed to embrace their environment, often wrapping around a large tree or incorporating living roofs and vertical gardens. Wooden decks interweave with landscaped stone paths, and large windows offer full views of blooming flora. Architects use materials like salvaged timber and regional stone to keep construction sustainable and site-sensitive. Inside, sliding doors and retractable walls blur the lines between indoor and outdoor space. You might even find a koi pond or rock garden placed right in the center of the home. These designs are perfect for those who see nature not as a backdrop, but as an integral part of daily living. It's a poetic reminder that architecture and the natural world can thrive in perfect unison. For fans of minimalist design, a woodland-inspired stone and wood home offers clean lines with deep, natural beauty. These houses use a less is more philosophy, but with rich materials that bring depth and warmth. The architecture features boxy, geometric shapes and flat roofs, while interiors are sleek yet inviting. Walls might be lined with cedar planks or polished limestone, and the use of natural light becomes a design feature all its own. Large picture windows and skylights flood the space with sunlight and let the surrounding forest become your living wallpaper. The muted palette, soft browns, creams, and grays, keeps the atmosphere serene. This type of home is often equipped with smart home features and energy-efficient systems, making it eco-conscious as well as aesthetically pleasing. It's ideal for those who appreciate a peaceful lifestyle and timeless style grounded in natural elegance. Now imagine a house inspired by your childhood dream, a luxurious treehouse-style home that uses stone and wood in a modern, adult way. These designs are elevated above ground using stilts or built directly around the trees, preserving the ecosystem and providing a unique vantage point. The structure often includes wooden suspension bridges, wraparound decks, and open-air lounges. Stone is used strategically at the base or for support columns, creating a strong foundation while keeping the aesthetic rooted in the earth. Interiors are often cozy and intimate with a bohemian or Scandinavian touch. Think floating staircases, wrought-tan furniture, soft wool rugs, and natural wood ceilings. These homes appeal to the adventurous at heart who want a blend of whimsy, sustainability, and style. Whether in a rainforest, jungle, or alpine setting, treehouse-inspired homes offer a refreshing twist on the stone and wood theme with breathtaking elevation. Heading into warmer climates, we find the tropical rustic villa, a breathtaking fusion of stone, wood, and lush greenery. These homes often use teak, bamboo, and volcanic stone to stay cool in the heat while embracing tropical aesthetics. Open-air living spaces, thatched roofs, and wide verandas dominate the layout, encouraging indoor-outdoor living. You'll often see garden showers, water features, and breezy hallways framed by stone arches. Furniture is usually crafted from raw wood with organic shapes that reflect local culture and materials. Even the lighting fixtures and decor use natural fibers and handmade textures. This kind of home thrives in coastal or jungle regions where the boundary between architecture and nature is barely visible. Tropical villas prove that you don't need artificial elements to create a luxurious, welcoming space. Nature provides everything you need when designed with care and creativity. Let's not forget the ultimate form of blending into nature: eco-friendly earth homes that use stone and wood in harmony with the land. These homes are built partially or fully underground or into hillsides, often with green roofs, thermal mass walls, and passive solar design. The use of stone provides natural insulation, while wood offers warmth and a soft, organic finish. Many include rainwater harvesting systems, composting toilets, and solar panels, making them nearly self-sufficient. Inside, the designs are just as beautiful. Arched ceilings, exposed wooden trusses, and earthy clay walls create a calming, cave-like atmosphere that feels both ancient and futuristic. These homes are perfect for those who prioritize environmental impact, energy efficiency, and long-term sustainability. It's the pinnacle of responsible living without sacrificing comfort or beauty, an architectural love letter to the planet.